Hey y'all, this is Tanya from my workshop. I want to show you how I made this little garden bench, okay? It's made out of 3 simple things. Deck blocks, a board, and some sliver of 4x4 that fits in there to keep the bench from moving. Nice little accent to the garden. And what I'm going to do is stack these, and then we're going to go in the garage and try to find a board so that we can lay it across it, and that'll be our seating. All right, y'all, so look at here what we found in the garage. I've got a almost 9-inch by 67.5-inch board that will be perfect for the seating. And then I've got a 4x4 that I'm going to use. I'm going to measure the depth of the inside of the deck block, cut this, and then I'll attach that to this, and it'll sit in there and won't move around. All right, so we got a little bit of cleanup to do. I'm going to cut off these edges right here. Do some sanding here, and I think I'll take the router and round over the edges. All right, y'all, so I have a round over bit in my router, and what we're going to do is just take this sharp edge off, okay? See how nice that is? It's not sharp. Now, as you can see, I get to use my new clamping system on my new tabletop for the workbench. All right, y'all, let me show you the blocks. This is the top where our board is going to rest to make up the seat. It'll go with that one. So, what I need to do All right, y'all, now time to add the little blocks. And what I did is I measured in, and I put the edge of this at 6 inches, and then I centered them in the middle of the board. Mark it out. Put a little glue in there. A little heavy on top. And then give that a few minutes, and I'll probably put a couple screws in there. All right, y'all, for this bench, we are leaving it natural, but I am putting on a couple coats of spar urethane just to protect it, because it's going to be out there in the elements. Now, of course, this is the bottom, but as you can see, even though it is the bottom, it's quite beautiful. Okay, y'all, you can see the sliver of 4x4 that I have under here, and that fits right down in that little slot. Take these 60-pound blocks, sit it up there like that. Now this is where your liquid nails come in. For those of you who may be a little squeamish and think that this is not going to hold that, you can put liquid nails on top of here if you want to, and that'll hold your board down, or you can put it on top of there to keep the blocks from moving. But as I said, these are 60 pounds, and I don't believe they're going to move. All right, let's see. Easy peasy. Not moving. Yay. I like this little bench, y'all. And whenever you want to move it to another spot in the garden, it's easy to take down.